Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name's Baker Abel, and today I will be making some delicious homemade cocoa brownies. So let's dive into it. We're going to have first 1 cup of flour as our first ingredient. The second ingredient is 3/4 of a cup of cocoa. Now I'm going to take half a teaspoon of baking powder and half a teaspoon of salt and mix it and whisk it all together. After you mix your cocoa mixture, you can just set it aside. You can now take half a cup of butter, 3/4 of a cup of butter, and put it in a saucepan, and then melt it on the stovetop. Now that our butter mixture is melted, we can now put in the ingredients that are supposed to be in the butter mixture. We are now going to put in 1.5 cups of sugar. After you've put in your sugar, you can put in 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract and 4 eggs. You can now set your mixture aside after it's all stirred. And then you can preheat your oven to 350. What you now want to do after you've preheated your oven is mix the flour mixture into the sugar mixture. Mix it all together. At this time, you can now flour your pan. Flouring is just where you take a bit of butter and rub it all over the pan, and then pour a tablespoon or 2 of flour on it until the inside is completely white. This recipe requires a 13 by 9 pan. You want to spread out your brownie batter all over the bottom of the pan. While you're waiting for your brownies to finish, now is a great time to start on the icing. I'm just going to show you how to do a simple American buttercream chocolate icing. So, you want to take a cup of butter and then put it into a bowl. The butter, you have to remember, is that it should be at room temperature or close to melting. And then you're going to want to put in about 1/4 or 1/2 cups of icing sugar. Then you're going to want to add around 1/2 cup of cocoa. When you're making icing, you want to cream it instead of stirring it because the butter is very tough. You can also use a blender, but I prefer creaming. I'm now going to take a icing knife, and I'm going to spread it on the cool cake. Because if it's not cool, it will melt the icing, and that will just be sloppy. Thank you for watching this video, and bye-bye!